Synthesia AI transforms text into realistic videos, streamlining video production. It offers a variety of avatars and voiceovers in multiple languages, making content creation accessible for all. The platform's text-to-speech technology and voice cloning feature allow for personalized videos that can engage diverse audiences globally. An AI script assistant aids in narrative development, ensuring effective communication. Synthesia AI represents a leap in creative industries, showcasing AI's potential to enhance content quality and production efficiency. It's a tool for anyone looking to create professional videos quickly and affordably, without compromising on quality. I will put the link in description. See you in next one.